Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to accept money using Zelle with your Navy Federal account. Whether you're expecting a payment from a friend, family, or even for a freelance gig, this guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, if you're not familiar, Zelle is a secure digital payment network that lets you send and receive money directly from your bank account, and Navy Federal Credit Union makes it easy to integrate. It's perfect for fast transfers without the fees of other apps. To get started, ensure you have a Navy Federal account and that Zelle is set up. If you haven't enrolled yet, open your Navy Federal app, log in, and look for the Zelle option in the menu. Follow the prompts to link your account. It only takes a minute or two. Now, when someone sends you money via Zelle, you'll get a notification on your phone or email. Open the app, and you'll see the incoming payment details. Double-check the amount and the sender's name to make sure everything looks right. Next, hit Accept or Confirm to add the funds to your account. That's it. The money should appear almost instantly, usually within minutes. Remember, Zelle works best when both parties use enrolled bank accounts, so encourage your contacts to set it up too. A few tips to keep things smooth. Always verify the sender to avoid scams, and if you encounter any issues like delays or errors, reach out to Navy Federal's customer support. They're available 24/7 and super helpful. There you have it, folks. Accepting money with Zelle at Navy Federal is straightforward and secure. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.